Hey guys, welcome back to Carizzi's Corner. How are y'all? I hope y'all are great. I hope quarantine is treating you well. It's been treating me well. So a couple of orders of business before we get started. Number one, we hit over 200 subscribers. Woo, 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 woo. We are very pleased about this. We are very ecstatic. The levels of happiness is astronomical. All that. I am so thankful for each and every one of y'all. It's 216 last time I checked, and this is only my 7th video now, and I'm just very much so pleased. So I just want to thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and I just appreciate that so much. Second order of business, I made a TikTok.
Check me out, check me out. Boom, bam, bam, bop. Bada bop, boom, pow.
For my perm rod set, and I got over 16,000 views and counting, because it might change by the time y'all see this on Sunday at 8 p.m. It might change, and I'm just so happy, and I'm just so thankful that the people are rocking with my TikTok. And I posted another one today actually, and I'm shocked that it still did as good, because I don't know, I wasn't feeling it as much, but people were still banging with it, and that's all I'm here for. If y'all like it, I love it. So yes, I just want to thank y'all for that. Different natural hair pages reposting me, and that just makes me so super duper happy to know that, you know, I'm being recognized, and that people are traveling, and people are coming to see what it's about. So I just want to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. Thanks. So now that I've done all of that, let's get into the products we are using today for my braid out. So I'm doing this on wet hair, and the products I'm using today is, y'all know how I feel about my Camille Rose almond J twisting butter, sweet honey milk, and almond milk and honey. Once again, this is what it looks like. It smells good. It's dirt, and yes, I'm here for it. Love the consistency, love the smell, love the moisture it does to my hair. Also,
what's up?
She's back. She's been missing in action a couple of episodes, but that's because she wasn't needed. But now she is back in full effect, ladies and gentlemen, and we are more than pleased. So here she is, my favorite Eco Styler, the Eco Styler black castor and black seed oil. You already know.
You already know.
And of course, we got my detangler brush, and this right here, and this right here. Y'all already know how I feel about my girl right here. This is the best thing that's ever happened to me. I love her. Like, wow. So yes, now that all of the business, the announcements have been announced, I got a new theme song, y'all. Shout out to Trev on the freaking beat, and let's drop it. Okay, hope y'all like my new theme song, but we're going to start this on some wet hair. And of course, I've been deep conditioning once a week, and I've kind of been doing a bet with myself. Oh, my hair's so soft. A bet with myself where it's like, use a deep conditioner for 1 straight month and then give a review. And what, next week will be a month with my girl, my Camille Rose deep conditioner. Let me go get that for y'all. Hold on. So we're back, and this is her. She's almost gone. I've kind of probably used too much, but this is the Camille Rose Algae Renew deep conditioning mask, cocoa and mango butter. Flavor, smell. Once again, these girls at Camille Rose don't disappoint with the smells. They be on freaking point. And the moisture levels in this deep conditioner go so crazy. Y'all see I'm almost at the bottom, but I love it. Like, I love it. Let me show y'all the moisture levels in my hair after I wash it out. Girl, are you kidding me? Y'all could look at it for yourself. My hair is soft. Oh God, my hair is soft and lathered with love and all of that, and I just love it. And of course, you know, I do everything in 4 sections. So I finally really tested out my porosity, so I can just know for moving forward with products. And girl, I'm low porosity, and I thought this whole time I was high porosity, and I'm not. So, and I made sure I did the float test, and I made sure I did it on, like, it was fresh out the shower hair, no product on it, nothing. Like, it was washed out hair, like, before I even put my deep conditioner in it. For all the low porosity girls, hey, what's up? What's tea? What's good? What's going on? And I think I'm gonna do a low porosity video, or I'm gonna start looking for products for low porosity hair, seeing as that's what we are. And of course, now my hands have all this crap all over it, so now it's gonna be hard to open this. Great. That's like really the only like pain in the butt thing about this big old jar, is that opening it with wet hands is not fun. So of course, I'm gonna go in with my gel because, of course I did my research before doing this style, and I feel like, well, with all of these like twist outs, braid outs, that type of stitch, I feel like the gel kind of gives it the more defined look. The cream makes it moisturized and look moisturized, but I think the curl gives it the more. And also, what I've learned, I did one braid out in my entire life, and I didn't really like it because I felt like my roots were too frizzy. But I think the problem that I had was, first and foremost, I didn't use enough gel, and I wasn't putting gel at the root to tame the root, you feel me? It wasn't necessarily giving moisture. So once again, we're gonna go back in. And y'all know the drill. Once you're done, you have to give her a twirl because it's just important. And this is the first one. Oh, this is a juicy little one. Hello girls, so we're back. This is, well, girls and gals, so I don't know who's here. This is my first side. I'm pretty pleased. It's giving moisture, it's giving length, you know. This will be a good one. So we're about to do this half of my head. I think I'll have y'all for this one. And then, yeah, so let's get into it. All right, everybody, so I'm done. Hopefully, I think they're gonna come out pretty good. These couple of in the front, I'm not really like, I have to keep twisting them to make sure they'll do, but this side is giving. Hopefully this side is on the same wavelength. But yes, so of course, you know what I'm about to do now. I'm about to sit under my dryer. I'm about to sit under my dryer, and I'm very excited to see the result. I don't know girls who wear their hair like this. If I did it, it'd probably be the side part, but that's another situation for another day. Either way, yes, so I'm gonna sit under the dryer for like 2 hours tonight, and then some tomorrow, and then we're gonna take it out tomorrow. I know I need to invest in other oils because I keep telling y'all about almond oil and that's it, but she's my favorite.
But what the fuck?
No, I hate an oil stain. Just put it all through here, okay? And you know what I am going to do? Just for the sake of the look, let's just, you know how I feel about my edges. I'm not even gonna put any product on it because why? But just to brush them out. And I never told y'all this, but I don't really do middle parts ever. So I'm nervous, but I think this is gonna turn out pretty good, especially because the braiding has elongated my hair, which I'm excited about. So we'll check back in once again. So hey guys, so we're back, and I sat on the dryer for 2 hours last night and 2 hours this morning, and this is what it's looking like so far. I got anxious, so I started taking them out. And let me just do this one as well. And okay, so for the sake of this TikTok I'm about to do, I'm not gonna separate them yet. I'm gonna just, this one is separated, but we're not gonna talk about it. I'm gonna just do this side and then do that side, and then we're gonna separate them. But all right, let's get into it. Look at that. Just so y'all can see what it's looking like. Wow. Wow, are you crazy? This looks so good. Okay, we're back. Okay, so this is it. This is her. This is without pulling apart or stretching or anything. Of course there's back pieces, but this is it. And I'm pretty pleased, you guys. Like, this looks pretty good. Let's start pulling this apart. And I said I would do this on camera this time because y'all gotta know how to do it for real. Of course I missed a braid. We are not surprised. Wow. All right, so let's get to the pulling apart, shall we? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is start on this side. So what we're gonna do is, you see how it's already separating for itself? We love that. Oh my God, look at that. Look at them curls separating. And to me, the more you separate, the more volume. So really, I'm trying to separate as much as I can. So this is one. Let's see how many I can get out of it. That's 2. That's 3, 4. Okay. I lost count. I can't even lie to y'all. But what I lash checked this for, this one would be a better piece to try to judge this with. So this is what it is, which I love so freaking, ooh, that hurt so freaking much. I think it looks so good. I don't know how I feel about this middle part necessarily, but I think I still look good regardless, you know? I don't ever really do middle parts, but there is a first time for everything, to be honest. Oh my God, it's so big. And here I am, and this is the almost finishing product, because you know I gotta do my edges. I don't even have my edge control over here, so we're just about to use this gel because I don't feel like getting up. But usually what I'll do is I'll get my edge control and get her done like that. But what we're gonna do today is just some gel. I definitely think there's a reason why I don't do middle parts. I just don't know. I just feel as though they don't look that right on me. And this is like a quick lay. That's another reason why I'm not too pressed to get my edge control, because it's a very quick lay. Because who is looking at my edges? It's just to feel pretty, to know that my edges are intact if they do have to pop out for whatever reason. But this is it, guys. Of course, I'm gonna get beautiful for my TikTok, but this is what y'all get. I get the real, the raw, the uncut, okay? I hope you guys like it. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And there's nothing else to discuss. I hope y'all enjoy. And if you liking what you see, what's the song? Hit that subscribe button for me. yeah. So yes, until next time, bye.